Are you curious about how the tourmaline ball press works? Take a look at it together. First, clean up the debris of the electric stone powder ball press before starting the machine. Fix the bolts. Check whether the various bolts of the machine are loose and fall off, and only after removing the load can the roller ball press be started. 2. When the electric stone powder ball press is tested, the motor should be pulsed by the point motion method first. If there is no other noise, it can be started when the operation is normal. 3. To the electric stone powder ball press feeding should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform and according to the situation of the warehouse pressure will be adjusted to the best effect of the electric feeder. 4. After the end of each shift, should be the electric stone powder ball press in the silo all used up. Shall not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load, finally normal stop or emergency stop, and dry the opposite order.